Another summer cocktail, the Kentucky Summer. Remember, when you mention the word Kentucky, that means bourbon is in a mix. All right, so how we do this? So we're gonna start with one strawberry, which we're gonna destem, and we're gonna cut it in quarters. Okay, throw in the glass. And remember, when you muddle something in a shaker, always use only one liquid because you don't want the solids to be floating around and be hard to mix, okay? So we're gonna use, the first liquid is gonna be 1 ounce of lemon juice. 1 ounce of lemon juice. And now we gonna muddle. Okay. Now we're gonna add the other ingredients, which is gonna be 1 ounce of simple syrup, 2 dashes of rhubarb bitters, and 2 ounces of Maker's Mark bourbon. Now, just to bring some savory aspect to the drink, we're gonna add a few basil leaves, which complements the strawberry flavor. And that's all you have to do. You don't have to muddle. Now we have all the ingredients in the shaker. We're gonna add ice and we shake it. Everything into the shaker, tap it, shake it. Now we're gonna fill up the glass with fresh ice. And strain everything into fresh ice. We're gonna top it with ginger beer. And now we're gonna garnish with a nice strawberry. And we're gonna do is, we're gonna cut the strawberry in slices, and then we're gonna just press it down and we're gonna fan it out, okay? Now we get the strawberry right on top. And of course, for color and complementing it in flavor, a nice sprig of basil. And there you have it, the Kentucky Summer.